All good. Uh, we are here to trade Nasdaq and Gbpusd. Good morning to all. So there's a new setup here. We got the new chair. We got it for absolutely free from my from the place where I'm working. And yeah, I didn't expect that. I thought I'm gonna pay some money for this. And fortunately, they didn't ask me for any money. They told me like you can take it for free, no worries. And I was like, call my friend and take this chair with me. And new chair, it's pretty good, very comfortable compared to my old buddy. This fellow right here is good, but for me, it seems like pretty big. The seater and everything is pretty big for me. I'm not feeling that comfortable with this. Even though it's good, the cushion is pretty good and everything is good. But overall, I'm gonna give this chair to my trading buddy, and this is for my new trading chair. This is pretty good, and I plan to wear a glass like this because I don't want to sit in front of the screens for a long time without with my bad eyes, which is not good for me overall, right? So yeah, that's the plan. Not to show off nothing. This is just for the safety purpose. In the long run, it will for sure affect my eyes, right? This is just a product from a local brand, so I need to buy a new one, which it should be like completely safe for my eye. Like it should restrict the blue rays, which emits from the monitor screens. So that would be great in the long run. Yeah. As of now, I only have this glass, so I just wear this. Let's see how it works. What we can see here. What we can expect for today. Let's move on to weekly time frame. And Friday there was a very big news, like Trump put big tariff on China, and it crashed. It's literally crashed the market. Like it took almost 30 days low, which means 1 month low. It took that, and big down close candle, which means a very big candle. So no one knows what's going to happen next. It's going to recover it completely, or it's going to drop even further. So it's unfortunate thing. Like no one expect that much fall. It was a very big shot. Whoever in that shot, whoever caught that move, monetize it. Happy for that. Happy for them. So so let's see what's happened here. This is that candle, right? This is the three candle in weekly time frame. Okay. So this is our weekly high and weekly low, which is pretty big compared to the previous candles. Not so big, but it's kind of okay. I'm gonna mark out the weekly high and the weekly low. So what we can expect here? What's the plan from this? Time is 8:38. I don't know how long I'm gonna sit here because I have work from 12 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the afternoon. So I can do as much as I can. Let's see in the phone whether we are visible. Everything is alright or not. I just really need to make sure that because most of the time after I after my stream, like my whole video is not visible, then as per my expectation, my screen is not even getting shared. So I have to share my screen first of all again. Share that screen, entire screen, boom, shared. Okay. Now now you can see the screen, right? So all good. Everything is fine now. I had to make sure every time when I start a live progress because it's literally not showing up after that. Weekly high, weekly high, and just put it right here. Weekly low. Mm, Great. Weekly high and weekly low. Just put 16. Just modify it to 16. That's great. Okay. So now we have the weekly ranges. So what happens so far? Market is extremely bullish. You can see overall it's very bullish. It's break this level, good push to the upside. This value remain unfilled. Let's keep on going higher. And there is no structure for me to look for any kind of big bearish place action. It's just a one down close candle. That's it. And that's it. Nothing more to talk. Let's move on to daily time frame. You can clearly see the candle. It's very big down close candle on Friday. Yeah, on Friday. Holy fuck, The whole thing is, I thought it is an GBP chart, but it's the fucking Nasdaq chart. The fuck I'm doing? It's a Nasdaq chart. I would not even see the name. I was like, I just started. Okay, all good. Was did this right, so just do the rest of the things, then have the plan and go for the GBP chart. Then okay, big. So overall, it's keep on pumping higher and for daily, what about daily? In daily big down close candles, we these lows, tap this breaker. It's kind of rebalancing that. Moreover, we have this big imbalance, so we can be bearish inside this range. But even though it's a big what big panic selling happened, but we still trust this family gap. We can expect some lower prices. Let's see. Inside this range, I need to be bearish. If it's not whole, we can be bullish then. So just give this name for this H4 bearish family gap, H4 sellers family gap. It's right here. And in 1 hour, you can clearly see this bearish swing. So inside this range, why can't can be bearish? At least targeting the gap, right? Gap up. It's kind of big gap up, right? So we can target that. We can expect the gap to fill up first, then before expand any side, before it take any side. Very good. Okay, we are inside the 1 hour 5 hour gap, so we can be bearish. We have that. Okay. No, nothing so far. Contesting. Mm, that will go here now. It's not fucking reflect on it. It's just authorities. Let's see. I might wake up at 8, 9. Somewhere around the time, let's trust him. He will give the right for me. What to learn. Okay. I've just cleared out this liquidity. Let's see what kind of thing will happen. So this should be the internal level. Let's see after this. Okay, this is some sort of internal sell side, right? Internal buy side. Internal buy side liquidity. So this is our internal buy side liquidity. So I'll just mark it up this. Don't complicate much. Let's let it build. If I'm not wrong, I can mark that 1 hour for Valika. That would be great. So I just marked the 1 hour for Valika following with this breaker. It gives me initial reaction, so I like to see some price moving higher before it's moving lower. Hmm. Yeah, so far this is a game plan. Just price moving higher, clear out this liquidity, print some more, dump, clear out this level. Fill this gap up, or else come to this point. That's my game plan. If it's not, it will go higher to fill that news news candle. Let's see. Whatever the thing. I like to be bearish here. I like to be bullish here. That's it. Let's move on over to our chart like GBPUSD. I thought it was a GBPUSD, but it didn't. Let's move on to weekly. What's happening in weekly time frame? So far, I need to look up for that words. Fucking shit. Market is bullish. The order flow is clearly bullish. Keep on breaking the highs, printing higher highs, higher lows. This is our current swing, and this is the candle which we got last week. The candle trade all the way back was here. Okay, you might expect the continuation or what to this liquidity or what. How to look up, how to look it up in what I'm saying. Look it up or check it out. Which is good. Which is a good phrase. So we got the weekly high and weekly low here. So far the order flow is bullish. Let's see in lower time frame what's happened. To this earlier pulling the price, keep on dumping, clear out this liquidity, and now it's rebalancing to this level. So if the market is dumping, we can what where I can expect. First, obvious liquidity should be weekly low. Second, liquidity should be this fellows for sellers. So there is my sell side liquidity. And there are some fair value, so you don't need to worry about that for now. So this is my place. This is where I looked for. If I'm bullish, where I can expect the market to go. Is there any chance for the market to turn bullish? I don't think so. It's kind of selling, keep on selling downside. So still this 4 hour barrier holding the price. As soon as this We have got ran through, we can expect draw. We can expect the rise going to go lower. Like the draw will be lower. Let's nice. So we are inside this like come all the way down. So this liquidity and rebalancing to this level. Very clear the 4 hour, but we haven't said this 4 hour. So I like to see either any of like if it's get ran through, I can expect this. This is my target. If it's continue to hold, if it get ran through, this is the target for sure. Let's see what's happening lower time frame. Lower time frame, it's kind of like for the whole swing, it's go all the way up. It's clearly it's pretty much holding the price. One kind of close up, but it's pretty much holding the price. And we have the change in the state for me, like I low change in the state for me, and it's holding. So if this fellow like this is kind of news, right? This is not even a right move. This is kind of impulsive moves. So if this candle get ran through, we can expect the draw should be at least this weekly low. But I like to see this 1 hour forward get ran through first before I engage in any kind of trades. That would be a good thing because how I can trade this like doesn't ring a bell, right? Like holding, pumping towards this level. It's for sure it's gonna come to this point. From high time frame perspective, it's keep on dumping. Internal like okay, internal taken. What time? 15 minutes. Internal has been taken. Big change in the state. Rebalance to this fair value here. Tap, come all the way down. Okay, so let's go. This could be the finest entry if I'm not wrong. The only thing that made me to think it's not gonna hold is this is just a news scandal from after the news release from Trump that after the tariff it's pumping upside. That's the reason why I'm a bit hesitate to trust this changing the state on this well yeah, and it also not taking any kind of major liquidity. So take this liquidity. This is that it's nothing. And if it's closed above this level here, which means something good for me to trade, but it's not actually the forward holding so far. So for as far as now, it's sweeping this internal, great changing the state, rebalance to this level, it can be bearish here, targeting this low. So that would be the optimal play right now. Besides that, what else I can see here? In 1 hour, it is also changing the state. That's the reason. 1 hour, it is also changing the state with this value gap. So it's holding. If it's holding, let's see how long it's going to hold. Don't go to 1 minute unless or until you get the really nice entry model. 240. Let us sweep all these internals, weak inversion, changing the state, big displacement. This is going to be our internal, right? Holy moly, bro. This is going to be our internal. As soon as the internal has been taken with this manipulation candle, the next candle inverse this. It's clearly got inversed. Start to sell off towards downside. Come on, bro. Hit me a message like, you can wait till 10, 10 not 10, that 10:50 last time he came to my house, right? 10, 9:20, just message him back. Why we can expect this much more here because changing the state, big displacement, this is our internal. It's clearly engineered the liquidity here. Rebalancing to this, the so if you are very confident, you can enter the position here and put the stop at the high targeting oil prices. That's a great entry. Let's put the limit order at this point or at this point. Yeah. It's a top tech country, top tech execution. But if I'm not wrong, this would be what about sessions? Okay, Asian range high taken, Asian range low taken. So this is what we got in London session. At what time London session starts? So 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock running session start manipulating higher, sweep the Asian high, right? Sweep the Asian high, which means clear out all this internal liquidity. It's already taken. So this whole liquidity has been taken off. What happened next? Big inversion in 5 minutes. So big inversion in 5 minutes. So this is our changing the state. Trade all the way down. Session high taken. What else you want? And then 15? Yes. Session high taken. Big conversion. Enter top of the high targeting orders. Opposite liquidity. This is the clean liquidity form, right? Damn, bro. It's a whole lot of difference with this glass and the barracks. It's a whole lot of difference. With my barracks, it's like super black and dark. It's very beautiful. But with this, it's kind of black, not clear. Okay, I can see everything, but it's what about 1 minute after the session had taken? That does 1 minute ring a bell for me? Market open like 2 o'clock. Market open. Manipulating fire, strong manipulation towards upside. Sweep the liquidities. As soon as it swept the liquidity, what happens? It doesn't ring any bell, bro. What kind of structure it formed here? Nothing. If you go to 5 minutes, I can enter with that inversion. 15 minutes, yeah, it's an inversion, but in 1 minute, what else I have? This is the last form of parallel again. After the after the session, this is the last form of parallel again. Holding, hold, kind of close below. Okay, 9 o'clock. That was it's 9 o'clock, so we can see that 9 o'clock candle close. The 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Trade higher. Big rejection. So we are clearly respecting this for here, and we are inside this for here. So but to be honest, I don't have a solid plan for today. Like it's 4 hour holding here, and it's market making model in 1 hour, clean changes in big displacement with the 5 value gap. So price, so this high hasn't been taken yet. Just swap that intel and change the state, come all the way down and sweep this liquidity. As soon as it's swept, it's kind of give the big inversion. So if the swing, if kind of like if this is break, if this gets break and displays lower, we can expect this is going to get vulnerability. We can expect all this fire to get ran through, and this is just a news pump, right? So we can expect the low, weekly low at least. If it is not the case, if this is trustworthy, we can expect something after this low, and let's move on higher and clear this high and targeting some higher prices. So we don't know exactly what's going to happen right now. So that's the reason why I'm sitting on my hands there in 5 minutes time frame and just watching it. So once as soon as it gets clear, I have to have some plans for to go for an entry. It's just a single candle, just a news manipulation kind of thing. So I don't think it's going to hold. It's kind of not even a strong push. It's actually a good catch, bro, that day. I got it very correctly, but I really expect this is not wrong. It's exactly hit me target. Okay. If you're in this time frame, we might be a good position here or after this inversion, put the stop at this high and targeting some lower prices, right? Mhm. 9:25, I have to message you in both. If not, I just pick this fellow up and go to my work. In 5 minutes, it's a little model. I mean, I want to share that thing. Be back. What is that? Oh, odds. Let's go and answer for a message. So kind of GBUSD. So uh, like inversion, reach this five value gap, then what is for rebalancing to this level, and let's keep on holding. And we are also creating the change state. Like I like to see something, bro. I like to see this high to take, or else this low to take. I like to see anything to take, like any session high or low at least to take. I don't need to agree with any positions inside this range. So far, for this whole swing, price reach the equilibrium. Okay. For the whole swing, price reach the equilibrium level, then it's inverse this level and it's keep on going. In 1 minute, what happened? Sorry, in 5 minutes. Boom, higher. Just fair value, still holding the price. Just keep on holding. Um, it's good, but I don't like it. Let's move on to Nasdaq for a moment. So gap up. Sunday open, Sunday evening like 6 o'clock open here. Big gap up. Keep on going higher. I'm going to market as internal price integrity. Market to gap up. Keep on going higher. Let's watch. Finance. Market open. Let's see. We're inside the 5 minute, 1 minute gap. Let's say it's going to hold and pushing the price higher or not. Market open. I don't have solid plans. I don't have solid plans. Let's see. So market open, the doesn't cost nothing so far. If we move to 5 minutes, it's kind of we are inside the 5 minutes. Oh, and then get high. Come all the way down. That's some sort of liquidity. You got this inversion. I got this inversion and it's pretty nice. Okay. 2 minutes value I've got invoiced. And that is not all your created here, but at least 5 minutes. Maybe now the time already know. And 1 minute, just like that. Mm. Get higher, boom, inversion. If it's hold inside this range, you can target this. That's the time is right. I assume as far as emotion and trade, which is start with the higher than waiting of that has the security there. Okay. All right. So can we go to invest? And work. Oh, great entry. Let's target this. So more plan is very simple, bro. Plan is super simple. What's the plan is going to tap the fire. What's the plan? Just make it as a plan. What else I can do? So 4 are getting tapped, 5 are getting tapped. Inverse this fair value gap. Boom, rebalance. So this liquidity, it's close below, we are good. And this fair value gap got inversed. Fair value gap. Am I impulsive executor or what I'm doing? So I tried one to this is should be my target in 5 minutes. So what's the idea, bro? Like simple. I'm inside this 5 minutes. If it's hold, I can target this. If it's get answer, I can short and targeting that. That's it. It's already tapped high. Had a earlier. I'm investing that, and let's keep on pushing high. And let's keep on pushing high. Keep on pushing high. Search and for the liquidity. Big inversion and whatnot this earlier. So even potentially target this. This 83 points. 83 points is fucking big, bro. Fucking so big. So is there anything I can do about it? Big animation. So is there anything I can continuation, I think that's it. Let's wait for the 5 minutes candle close. If it's closed below, simple. I'm expecting some sort of price action to target this, but it's flipped. So on it's flipped, so I entered here with this over the hanging on target. This slow. This also do this this it's also so far it's created this value, so I'm good. Mm, Fuck off the chat. Because I don't have any narrative here, bro. Why I entered, I don't know. I don't have any clue. It's yeah, it's flip. It's big displacement and it down post and I entered with the top of the high. What the risk about that? It's 88 pips risk. 88 points risk. It's 88 points risk. Makes sense or not? I had to wait for more structure to form. I had to let it build some base action. I was supposed to enter like end of this kind of executions. What the fuck I'm doing? Tap, come all the way down, clear out all the liquidity, let it build some base action, bro. Why are you just focusing on executing a trade? That's the point of that. Yeah, it's good. In on terminology, it's kind of only thing is market open, invest this 5 minute, invest this 5 minutes, it's a good candle, so enter for the stop loss. What's about the stop loss over there? It's 88 points stop loss. Are you mad or something? Hmm? Right now we got this already. Right now we got this already. So inside this range, we need to look for some sort of price action so we can enter inside. So what's the risk if I enter my position inside it? 62 pips. Not sounds good. Yeah, I don't like to close the date, but I don't know why I entered just because of that flip, just because of the flip, and it doesn't build any kind of fab albums. I'm just execute without any plan. The only execution is just what So the only plan for this execution is just this inversion. So if it is an inversion execution, it should be here, right? This big probability of market open inverse. Market open, term distributed has been taken. We are trading inside the 5 minutes area. We are tapping the 5 minutes area. So if I execute any position here and targeting lower prices, which means here, you're gambling, bro. ஏன்டா மெசேஜ் பண்ண மாட்டான் பண்ண மாட்டான் டென்ஷன் படுத்திட்டு அவன் கேட்டுருக்கான் அப்புறமா இது வரைக்கும் ஒரு மெசேஜ் பண்ணி market open first 5 minutes for value let it build some price action. If I execute positions here, what's my target should be? This should be my target. But now stop loss now. Where did it format innovation liquidity sweep of the sessions? Very simple entry book. Liquidity sweep of the session like so session liquidity, yeah. Session liquidity has been swept. 5 minute inversion, not 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 so far. It almost got inversed. So that ideology entered. So this, after this, I just put my stop here. 50 points. Let's get ran through and go all the way up towards this side. Yeah, good to go. Always make good, but that's it. I like to see the candle close above this range. That would be a nice thing for me. We got that inversion. Stop at this low, but reverse its direction. We are cooked. There go. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. All right. Let it be. Go. Let it be. It should be this all get stop. It stop. Blow under the phone. Those little time back. Why is she older? Actual stuff and those. I just hit a target. Switching it. Payment got inversed, so we are good so far. So we just started this side. This liquidity, just this liquidity by side. And forget this for a moment. If you forget this, we are good to go. GBPST. What's going on in GBPST, bro? Just forget it. That's it. You don't have to do it. The best thing you can do is just forget it. Yeah. The plan is very simple. Market open liquidity speed in machine in 5 minutes. That's it. Market open liquidity speed. Session loss has been taken. In machine in 5 minutes. Enter. Put the stop at the low targeting opposite liquidity, which means higher time frame earlier. That's it. Follow the call. Phone technology. Sorry. Okay, bro, thank you. If this structure shift is trustworthy, if this value gap is going to hold, then we can expect the price to be at least here, which means here. This should be our first target. Second target should be this. If the model is bullish, so we can after this level we can expect some buying model and expecting higher prices like this and this. So we are inside the range. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Inversion and this fellows it's so far holding the price. So let's see. I can't do anything. Either it hit my stop and blow my account. Either it hit my stop and blow my account or else go to High and give something for me today. That's it. That's all I can do. I can't do anything. I couldn't do anything else besides that. I'll be back in a minute. Not minute, 5 minutes. भैया ఏమండి சொன்னனே ஃபர்ஸ்டே ஒரு சென்ட் பண்ணேன் டெக்னோ $70 க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டாரு அது அது நான் செஷன்ஸா பார்க்கவே இல்லை செஷன் அவ்வளோ பார்த்தேன் ஐநூறு ஃபிளிப் ஆயிடுச்சு இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் பார்த்தோன்னா ஒரு இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்
டெய்லி இது ஒன்று வச்சுக்கோங்க. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ட்ரேட் எடுத்தேன். ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் அடிக்க தோணி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். அதுக்கு நான் நிறுத்துவேன். டெய்லி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒரு ட்ரேட் எடுத்தேன். அது
அந்த ட்ரேட் நான் எடுத்ததுக்கு ரீசனே இல்லடா ஒரே ஃபிளிப்புக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிருந்தேங்க அதுதான் சொல்றேன் இம்பேஷண்டா எடுத்துட்டேன் நான் எதுக்கு எடுத்தேனே தெரியல என்ன சொல்றேன் எதுக்கு என்ன வேலிடேஷன் அதுக்கு கொடுக்கறதுனே தெரியல எனக்கு பிடிக்கல ஒரு இன்வெஸ்டன் ஆச்சு பாயிண்ட் ஆச்சு இன்வெஸ்டன் ஆச்சு ஓகே இதை வச்சு எடுத்துக்கலாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பண்ணி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணேன் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபைனல் வேல்யூ ரேட் அதுல தான் கணக்கு பார்த்தேன் அப்புறமா அந்த இது ட்ரேடிங் பார்க்குறப்போ செஷன் லோலாம் எடுத்துருச்சு ஸோ ஃபைனல்ல இன்வெஸ்டன் கிடைச்சா இன்வெஸ்டன் ஆச்சு ட்ரை பண்ணேன் அவ்வளோ
சரி சரி ஓகே.
ரெண்டாவது ரிஸ்க்கும் 88 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வச்சிருந்தேன் அது வந்து ரிஸ்க் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பர்ஸ்பெக்ட்ல வந்து கால்குலேட்
சரி சரி ஓகே ப்ரோ.
சரி Oh my God. It's very good. Yeah, please. Yeah. இப்போ வரவங்க ரைஸ் வச்சிருக்கேன். நீங்க ஒரு 2 முட்டை தரீங்களா? ஒரு முட்டை எவ்வளவு வாங்க?
14 போகும்.
ஒரு முட்டை 14. இப்போ ஒரு முட்டை எப்படி?
ஒரு முட்டை கூட வாங்கிட்டு வந்துருக்காங்க. பாப்பா தீபாவளியோட முடிஞ்சு போயிடும். அது கூட $28
ஓ நம்மகிட்ட இருக்காது. 2 அதே முட்டை $28 கொடுப்பானா? வாங்கி போடலாமே ப்ரோ. கெட்டு தானே போகுது. கெட்டு போகாத பொருள் தானே அதெல்லாம். எந்த இடத்துல இருக்கு
இது? இந்த டூல 3 ஸ்டாப் இருக்கு.
பக்கத்துல இருக்கு போதேப்பா. எப்போ போறது? எப்போ தீபாவளி எப்போ போக முடியும்?
அடுத்த வாரம் தான் தீபாவளி.
ஆமா அப்புறம் அப்போ வரைக்குமா? ஒரு முட்டை எடுத்து போட்டோம்னா கூட ஓகே தானே. இதுதானே முடியும்.
ஆக்சுவலா 1 மாசத்துக்குள்ள முடியும். 1 மாசம்லாம் வரவே வராது. 10-15 நாள்ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. ஆமா.
சரி செமையா இருக்குல்ல அது புதுசு.
நல்லா இருக்கு. எங்க பழசு?
உங்களுக்கு எது பழசு கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கா புதுசு கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கா?
அகலமா இருக்கு.
காஸ்ட்லி. அது ஓகே பட் ஆனா அதுல நிறைய நிறைய எப்படி சொல்றது நிறைய மிஸ்ஸிங் ஆக மாட்டேன். எப்படி சொல்றது ஒரு கம்ஃபர்டபுளா அது இல்ல. இதுலதான் இதெல்லாம் இருக்குல்ல இதுக்குள்ள நம்ம கிடக்கிறோம் அழகா. அது வந்து ஒரே ஓப்பனா இருக்கு. கம்ஃபர்டபுள் ஃபிட்டிங் கிடையாது. 23 வச்சுட்டு சாப்பாடு வச்சுட்டு வந்துருவாங்க. ஐயோ! நான் ரைடு போற இடத்துல ரைடு கிடைக்கும். காசு அங்க இருக்காங்க. $12 கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு குடுக்குறதுக்கு. யாருங்க ப்ரோ ஆப்போசிட்டா?
ம்.
யாருக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா?
கழுத்துருவான்.
அவங்க ஆப்போசிட்டாவா? ஏன்?
அவன் கிறுக்கி போயிட்டான். கால்ல ஒருத்தனை கொண்டு இடிச்சுட்டு அவன் சண்டைக்கு வந்துட்டான்.
ஆ.
அவன் ஜாதி இதனாலதான் அடிக்க வந்தான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னது மட்டும் இல்லாம அவன் பைக்கை போட்டு உடைச்சு
ம்.
ஒரு மேடையில இவெல்லாம் எப்படி இவ்வளவு நாள் தலைவரா இருந்தானே எனக்கு தெரியல. ஒரு மேடையில பேசியிருக்கான், முறைச்சா அடிச்சான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கான்.
ம்.
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 அவனை தூக்கி போட்டு மிதிக்காம விட்டது.
எந்த 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 கேஸ்ட்காரங்க அடிச்சாங்க?
அவன் எந்த கஷ்டம்லாம் தெரியல. பைக்ல போகும்போது கார்ல அவங்க போகும்போது அவன் பைக்ல போனவன்
ம்.
அவனை இடிச்சு விட்டாங்க.
ம்.
அவன் டிரைவரை கேட்டுருக்கான்,
ம்.
ஏன்டா உனக்கு இது பார்த்து ஓட்ட தெரியாதா அப்படின்னு.
ம்.
உடனே அவன் இறங்கி அவன் பைக் எல்லாம் தூக்கி போட்டு உடைச்சு
யாரு திருமாவளவனா?
திருமாவளவன் இல்ல, திருமாவளவன் ஒரு குரூப்
ம். ம்.
இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி
ம்.
அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு மேடையில அப்படி பேசியிருக்கான் அவன்.
ம்.
சிசிடிவி கேமரா பாலிமர் நியூஸுக்கும் சிக்கிக்கிச்சு.
ம்.
சிக்கிக்கிட்ட உடனே அவங்க நியூஸ் சேனல்ல போறாங்க. அதுக்கு உடனே சொன்னா
ம்.
இதெல்லாம் வந்து உள்நோக்கத்தோட உள்ளது அப்படி இப்படின்னு. அவங்க பிடிச்சாங்க இருக்கிற எல்லா வீடியோவையும் நறுக்கு நறுக்கு தூக்கி போட்டு குத்தி விட்டாங்க ஒரே விட்டா.
ம்.
ஆ.
ம்.
ப்ரோ 92,000 ப்ரோ.
எது?
ஒரு பவுன் தங்கம்.
எல்லாம் பறந்துட்டு இருக்கு ப்ரோ.
37,000
சரி.
இன்றைக்கு அவங்க
Tomorrow వాళ్ళ DMP రేట్ కదా
అవుతుందా
పోయిలామా వాళ్ళ DMP రేట్ అని వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ పోయాలేనా మీడియాలో ఎలా ఉన్నాం
மீடியா அப்ப அந்த காலத்துல இருக்கணும் மீடியா பாலிமர்ல பிடிச்சிட்டாங்க திருமாவளவன் ஒரு இது ப்ரோ அவன் தனியா இருந்தாலும் ஜெயிக்க மாட்டான் அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு அதனால டிஎம்கேல ஒட்டிட்டு இருக்கலாம்
பையனா போகும் அந்த மேல போக எல்லாம் படுத்து 5 மணிக்கு படுத்து 5 மணிக்கு
அது வரைக்கும் அது வரைக்கும் அது சரி
வேலைக்கு வருவா அப்படியா
அதெல்லாம் வரும்
Stop it. Idea. No idea.
யாரு என்னது என்ன
Strawberry, strawberry.
இது ஸ்ரீராமோட
Not கூட இந்த இடம் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாரு.
சுப்பிரமணிய ஐடியா
விஜய் ஒரு வில்லேஜ் பின்னாடி என்ன சொன்னா ஃபுட்பால் பத்தி போட்டு
டீசல் எதுக்கு போன் பேசிக்கிட்டு சிறுத்தா வாலிபால் விளையாட போயிட்டு எப்போ போறீங்க யாருங்க யாரோட
சும்மா பழக்கம்டா ஒரு விஷயத்தை கூப்பிட்டேன் போனோம்னா அவங்க டீம் ஒரு ப்ராக்டிஸா இருக்கும்
ஓகே
சாப்பிட்டீங்களா சாப்பிட்டீங்களா நல்லா இருந்துச்சு
நல்லா இருக்கு
இன்னும் 11:43 சரி 10:44 11 மணிக்கு ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுறேன் ஆஃப் பண்ணி சாப்பிட்டுட்டு நீங்க வைங்க விஜய் ஒரு விஜய் தந்தானா டப்பால மட்டும் போட்டு வச்சுருவோம் நானும் ஃபோன் பண்ணி சொல்லிட்டு வந்தேன் 3 நாள் ஸ்பைஸ் போடுறேன் சொல்ல வச்சு எவ்வளோ வச்சு அதான் நைட் 12 கருமான் கூட விளையாடுறியா இல்ல இல்ல சும்மா போயிருக்கு
Huh?
Yeah, members are there. What's the point of reversing? ఎప్పుడు డైట్ ఎచ్చుతున్నాడు I'm not gonna change anything, bro. Let it be. If it hit me stop, just stop me out. If it hit me target, just hit me target. That's it. That's it for the day.